Hello, dear students. Today we will start with Chapter 12 Area Related to Circle, Exercise 12.2, Question number 11. Now, in this question, you are given that a car has two wipers which do not overlap each other, and wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So children, let's start understanding this question. I hope all of you must have seen a wiper. And see children, if you have a wiper and you have observed that the wiper always runs like this. Have you seen? The wiper always runs like this. The one wiper moved like this, and similarly the other wiper is also there. So two wipers move like this, and they always move to form sectors the way you are able to see here. Sometimes you have dirty glass, and if you wipe off the glass with this wiper, you will see this impression over the glass of the car. I hope everybody is now able to understand. So he is giving us that there are two wipers and the length of each wiper is 25 centimeter, and children, they sweep in the shape of a sector making an angle of 115 degree at the center. So he wants us to find out the area cleaned by blades. Please don't miss the word S. Blades. Letter S in blades. So he wants us to find out the area cleaned by blades. So area cleaned by one blade is equal to one sector. Area cleaned by two blades is equal to area of two sectors. So that means area cleaned is equal to 2 times area of the sector. All of you know that the area of sector is given by pi r square theta divided by 360 degree, and it is to be multiplied by 2 because there are two sectors. Now let us put the value. Pi is 22 by 7, r given equal to 25, r square is there, so we have to write it twice, and the central angle is 115 degree, and this is divided by 360. So children, when you calculate, cancel whatever you are able to, and you will find that the area of the two blades is 1,58,125 divided by 126 centimeter square. So I hope all of you are able to understand. Let's do question number 12, children. In question number 12, he is giving that there is a lighthouse, and to warn ships for underwater rocks of a lighthouse spreads red color light over a section at a sector at an angle of 80 degree at a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So children, let's understand this question. In this question, you will see that this is the lighthouse, and if the rays of light you might have seen in torch, whenever you will try to reflect light through torch, you will find this shape. So light is always traveling, making an sector formation. So this way the ships are warned. The light in the form of sector is spreaded so that the ships can easily move in during the night time also. So children, this is the sector that is formed by the light, and the angle is 80 degree, and this light is spreaded over the length of 16.5 kilometer. That means radius given to us equal to 16.5 kilometer. Again, the area of the sector in which the light is spreaded is given by the formula pi r square theta by 360 degree. Now put the value. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 16.5, again r square is there, so 16.5, and theta is 80 degree given to you, divided by 360. Now once again cancel out whatever you are able to cancel, and remaining by calculation you will get that this is equal to 189.97 kilometer square. So with this we come to the end of this video. All the best children.